Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can improve the FPS on our school Chromebook. So I will be giving you out three different ways to improve the FPS on your school Chromebook, and the first one is the easiest one. For that you need to open up your settings and check whether your Chrome operating system or Chrome OS is the latest one or not. If not, then just upgrade it and get the latest version of Chrome operating system and you will be getting better FPS. And the second and the third option is little risky, so just do it on your own risk. For that I will be providing you a link in description. All you have to do is just copy this link and paste it in your browser. By following these steps you might get yourself into trouble and your system might get compromised and someone can leak your data or hack your data if you do it. So I'm just providing you a proper warning before telling these steps. All you have to do is just search for scheduler configuration in your search bar. Since I'm using a Mac operating system, it is not there for me, but it will be there for you. All you have to do is just open up this default section on your scheduler configuration and enable it. And the second thing that you want to change is cross-TINI GPU support. So search for it. Again, I'm on a Mac OS, so it is not there, but it is available on your school Chromebook. So just search for it and you will find cross-TINI GPU support. Just enable it, and what both of these will do is just cross-TINI will help you enhance your GPU, whereas the scheduler configuration will help you enhance your CPU uses. So your school Chromebook will be running on a steroid mode, and that's how you do it. And hopefully this will be able to solve the problem of FPS on your school Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.